Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing, Success Criterion 1.4.4 Resize Text. In this video, we'll go over how to ensure your text remains readable and functional when zoomed to 200%. Let's jump in. Success Criterion 1.4.4 ensures that users can zoom in to make text more readable without losing content or functionality. This is essential for people with low vision or visual processing challenges. RAMP includes automated checks for some common violations of this criterion, like fixed size containers that may clip content. Here's how to perform the manual check. Set your browser to 100% zoom and view the page in full screen. Increase the zoom level up to 200%. Scan the entire page to ensure that all text resizes appropriately. Make sure no content is clipped, lost, or overlapping, and that all functionality like buttons, menus, and forms remains accessible. If any text fails to resize correctly or causes usability issues, add a failure. And that completes the audit for Success Criterion 1.4.4 using RAMP's Audit Grid and Chrome extension. Allowing users to resize text without breaking your layout is a simple but powerful step towards accessibility. Now it's your turn. Test your site with RAMP's Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.